Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving from Lydart, same community as Lyda, towards Red Hassel Road, same as Red Hazel Road. Entering Red Hassel Road, and the area is popularly referred to as Breastworks. The road on the left will take you to Mount Oakley. On the left is the Breastworks to Windsor Road, and that road will take you to Fellowship, Berrydale, Windsor, and the other communities. Entering Port Antonio. On the right is First Holiness Church of the Apostolic Faith. On the left is Shebian Preparatory School. Red Asso Road ends. Going left will take you onto Somerstown Road, and going right will take you onto East Palm Avenue. Turning onto East Palm Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.